Welcome to my channel. To improve your English, pause the video after every sentence and repeat it.
Hello, welcome to Sunny Cafe.
Hi, do you have a table for one?
Yes, right this way. Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, do you have orange juice?
Yes, we have fresh or bottled.
I'll take fresh orange juice, please.
Great. Would you like to hear today's specials?
Sure.
Today we have grilled chicken with rice, spaghetti with tomato sauce, and beef lasagna.
Oh, I love spaghetti. Is it spicy?
No, not spicy, but we can add chili if you like.
No, that's fine. Do you put cheese on top?
Yes, we add Parmesan cheese.
Sounds good. Do you have garlic bread?
Yes, it goes great with spaghetti. Would you like to add it?
Yes, please. And do you have salad, too?
Yes, we have a small green salad or a mixed vegetable salad.
I'll take the small green salad.
So you'd like spaghetti with tomato sauce, garlic bread, green salad, and orange juice?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. I'll be back shortly with your drink. Here's your juice. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
How was everything?
The spaghetti was delicious. I loved the sauce.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like some dessert?
Not today. Just the bill, please.
Sure, one moment.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Excuse me, I'm new in town.
Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
Where is the train station?
The train station? It's near the city center.
How do I get there?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Okay, is it far?
No, it's not far, about 10 minutes on foot.
Can I take a bus?
Yes, bus number 5 goes there.
Where is the bus stop?
Right over there, next to the cafe.
Oh, I see it. Thanks.
The bus comes every 15 minutes.
Great. Is there a ticket office?
No, just pay on the bus.
All right. And the train station is open now?
Yes, it's open all day.
Perfect. Is there a map I can use?
There's a map at the station. Also, you can use Google Maps.
Good idea. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Hi, excuse me. Where can I find milk?
Hi. The milk is in the back, near the cold section.
Is it whole milk or low fat?
We have both, and almond milk too.
Great, I'll take low fat.
Good choice. Anything else?
Yes, do you have eggs?
Yes, right next to the milk.
And fresh bread?
Yes, it's near the front, next to the fruits.
What kind of bread do you have?
We have white, brown, and multi-grain.
I'll take brown bread.
Okay, do you need fruits or vegetables?
Yes, do you have bananas
Yes, over here.
and oranges?
Yes, right beside the bananas.
How much are the oranges?
$2 per kilo.
That's good. I'll take 2 kilos.
Sure. Anything else?
Do you sell pasta?
Yes, aisle 3. We have spaghetti and penne.
I want spaghetti.
Got it. Do you want sauce too?
Yes, tomato sauce.
It's in the same aisle.
Perfect. Where can I pay?
At the front, near the exit.
Can I use my card?
Yes, card or cash.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.